All right, guys. So it's been a little while. I haven't posted a video on this channel in 3 weeks, something like that. Doesn't mean I haven't been posting. I've been posting on the Porsche channel. If you don't know that channel, you don't know of that channel, link will be in the description. Nathan's Porsche Workshop. We post over there every day. Today I have a couple things here. I haven't been posting because this channel has been doing really good. And I noticed when something really takes off a video and I post a new video, it knocks that video down. So I just let one ride out and it paid off big, folks. So we're dwindling down. We got this crazy election stuff going on. Revenue's taking a dip. So decided to go ahead and load this video up, and I bought a new vehicle. So let's show you right now what it is. All right, try to keep the sun out of the lens. The new vehicle is something a lot of you guys probably aren't going to like too much. Some of you guys will love it. Some of you guys have some of these. But I was going to buy another car just to make videos only on. That's cool. We will do that. We will still do that. But we needed something a little different that I could actually use. And by that I mean I bought another Toyota Sequoia, right? Let me flip this around so the sun's not in it. Sun's still in it. There we go. It's 2005. Oh, this GoPro is so sensitive. There we go. 2005 Toyota Sequoia. This one has the factory air ride, right? So you put a trailer on it, automatically airs up. There's a switch on the console. You can air it up past where you need, so it tilts the back of the trailer down, or below what you need, so it tilts the back of the trailer up. Depends on what you're doing. So other than that, we have leather seats. It's just it's gray leather, and everything looks pretty good shape. There's a little tiny tear here. Like I told you guys before, this is more of a middle of the road vehicle. I couldn't see spending $50,000 or $70,000 on a new one. And that's pretty much what it takes to get something with, especially with air suspension and things like that. We'd have to get the Lexus. Some of the new Lexus LX 570 would be the version of this, or over $100,000. So I do want to do that coming up. But for right now, I want to be able to haul stuff in this, right? We want to be able to, if we need to get stuff to build the rest of the house, we can throw stuff in here and we don't have to worry that much about scuffing anything or scratching anything. Got 8-ply tires on it. I got all new ceramic brakes for it. I bought this from my friend Kevin, and he was using it for a tow vehicle. He buys stuff and sells stuff here and there, a little bit dusty. And he built this for himself. So he fixed a bunch of stuff on it. It's got aftermarket running boards. I'm not about that too much. It does have the sunroof, all the other stuff in it. But it's set up for towing, you know. That's the primary purpose of it for my use. Let me steam that sticker off of there too. And then it does have the factory WeatherTech Sequoia floor mats. They're a little tattered. They're not too bad. Got some Wu-Flu mask in the console. I just put the Reese brake controller in today. This is all plug and play on this thing. So there's no drama. You plug and play. There's one ground wire you hook to the chassis, and that's it. These are all pre-wired. Everything's good. It comes with a 7-round plug on it. So yeah, this one actually has steering wheel controls for the stereo and all that crap. Dual climate control like they all have. Heated seats in the front. I don't think it's heated seats in the rear. I don't think these had heated seats in the rear. And there's all the buttons for the ride height for the air suspension, right? So that's what's been going on. Let me go back in here. I'll show you one more thing. I think what I decided to do is go ahead and proceed with the engine swap on the E90. I've been driving it. It's real ticky. It's still got Vanos codes off and on. That car had 2 of the bolts that were somewhat stripped holding the valve cover down. They've always been like this since I had it. I noticed that's seeping again. So it's stinky when you're driving it. And it still has a hard brake pedal. And I really, truly think the hard brake pedal in this instance is the vacuum pump, which runs off the timing chain, right? So I think for 550 bucks, I get a whole new engine, 08 or newer. It's 550 shipped. I get it here. We can swap it out. We had the lift. It's really not that big a deal to swap that engine, especially with the lift. But yeah, other than that, like I said, Porsche content, Nathan's Porsche Workshop. Go check it out. The workbenches are getting done. We're waiting for the damn pegboard. We got what, 16, 30, I don't know, 35 foot of workbenches. As you can see, need to finish staining the end and all the legs to it. And then we're going to do, I guess, 14 30-inch tall cabinets over to there, on top of the pegboard over to there. That whole distance, we'll put the other one of these in. Then we're going to lift that up a little bit to clear the cabinets. That'll also give us a shelf on top of the cabinets, and it should work out pretty good. So we're getting there. You know, it just is what it is. You only go so fast whenever lumber and everything costs 4 times what it should. That's gonna be it. That's the update. That's the new vehicle. I guess we got to do the throttle actuators on this. The transistor's been here. All the paint's done on this car. Everything's good to go. And then as soon as the weather breaks to nasty, this thing is going to get wet blasted and then painted. So that's it. See you guys very soon. Hope you liked the video. See you later.